Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got kind of an unboxing and a product test for you. So this is a diamond painting sealer specifically for diamond painting. So not your Mod Podge or your Tombow. This has been designed specifically for sealing diamond paintings. So I thought I'd test it out. In my live last week, I completed these little heart-shaped magnets and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to test this. So I am going to be having a look at how this works. Okay, so product details first. This is the diamond painting sealer. This is 120 mils. Have I brought up the right product information? Yes, it's 120 mils. Of diamond painting sealer. It came from Amazon. The company, as you can see, is Ricuved. So it is a rapid curing, multi-purpose, non-toxic, safe, permanent protection with a clean gloss finish. This little bottle will set you back $11.99, although currently there is also a 20% off offer on Amazon. It is also part of the Prime one-day delivery, so you can order it today, get it tomorrow. Really, really good. So it says here that it is translucent. The curing time initially is about an hour, full curing in 24 hours. So we will do a little, we'll come back and have a look. And it reckons that this bottle will do 2 meters squared. And will last in this bottle for 1 to 2 years. So it gives us our information. So unscrew the lid, remove the sealing sticker, tighten the lid, squeeze the bottle and make the glue flow out. So I think if you've ever used, yeah, I'm right. This reminds me of the sort of shoe polish that I used when I was younger on my school shoes. I remember it had this sort of spongy tip that you use to apply the shoe polish. So I think it's a similar kind of design. So we've got this seal on the inside. Can I peel that up? That's the first question. Can I just pierce it? I might have to just pierce it. This will do the job. Just do it that way. So secure that on there. So it says, after application, place the diamond painting in a cool, dry place to dry naturally, avoiding high temperatures and direct sunlight. So it's all looking to be quite straightforward. Open the product, squeeze out the glue, brush on evenly. Okay. So, oh dear. Okay. So it does come out a little bit drippy to start with, but so, okay. So you can squeeze it out. I'm just going to and then you can use the nozzle. Obviously on a standard diamond painting this is probably even easier to do, but I thought as these needed to be sealed it would be a particularly good opportunity to test this out. It certainly goes on nice and easy. It's coping with the different sizes of these special drills. And of course, whenever you're using a sealer on your diamond painting, what you want is to get it in the gaps between the drills, because that's the area where there is still visible glue, and that's where, you know, dust, dirt and debris will be sticking. So one of the things that I have historically done when sealing diamond paintings is, once I've coated the diamond painting with whatever sealer I'm going to use, I would then wipe over the top, just to make sure that the actual surface of the drills doesn't have too much sealer on it, which might dull the shine. But actually I'm not sure that that's going to be necessary in this case, because of course this method of application is wiping the top of the drills as I go. So it all seems to be going on very nicely indeed. Right, there we go. Quick as you like, that is done. I will now leave those, pop that lid back on there. Be interesting to see how this sponge fares, or whether it goes hard and crusty now that it's got some sealer on it. So that will be interesting to look at. I will, of course, report back. Yeah, flatly apply the glue evenly on your painting. Yeah, excellent. I'm very pleased with that. I will come back to you and let you know how this all works out once they're done. So, yeah, we will check back in a bit. I just want to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out and thanks to my generous patrons. That is, in the outer circle, John Chidlow, Dylan Falconer and the wonderful Maisie's Madhouse. Find her on YouTube. And in the inner circle, the lovely Katerina Seplova. Okay, so a little bit of time has passed. The hearts were dry within a couple of hours, I would say, touch dry, and then yeah, I've just left them, and they, you know, you can see there is no problems with them at all. They've not lost any of their sparkle. I also, just to give you an idea of using the product on a sort of more regular diamond painting, I used it for this painting, which you will have seen me do a post review of already. So yeah, this came out absolutely lovely as well, no problems at all. And to answer my previous question about whether the sponge would get crispy, not at all. It is still, you know, soft and contains liquidy product. Putting the lid on it seems to preserve that fine, and there's plenty left. It's still, I can't see exactly how much is left, but certainly there is plenty left. It's got a real good weight to it still. I think that this product represents a really good alternative to using Mod Podge or PVA glue or Tombow or any of the other products that I know people have used in the past. Because this is specifically designed for diamond paintings, it makes sense to use it. I will pop links in the description down below so that you can go and grab some for yourself should you wish. I would highly recommend it. And it's what I will be using from now on paintings that need sealing. I realise not all of them do. So I'm going to leave this here. If anybody's got any more questions about this product or about sealing diamond paintings in general, please do let me know down below. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how these things came out. No issues at all. If anybody else has used this, also let me know. Tell me in the comments, what do you use to seal your diamond paintings? Okay, so that's all from me. Please do consider to like, share, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!